Want to know the easiest way to make 1 to 2K per month? It's building micro SaaS with AI that you can actually sell. We're doing a 4-part series showing you step by step how to do this. And this is part 2. In part 1, we showed you how to connect to your backend database. In part 2, we're showing you how to set up authentication with one prompt. Yes, one prompt. Make sure to bookmark this so you can check it out later, and make sure to give me a follow so you don't miss the rest of the series. All right, this is part 2 of 4 of setting up your backend when you're building with AI so your app actually does something. And in the example, we're using Lovable and Supabase. It makes backend so easy. Make sure to bookmark this and check out part 1 of how we actually integrated Lovable and Supabase. You got to learn that first. In this video, we're going to show you how easy it is to set up user authentication with Supabase. And y'all, it's such a pain with other tools. It is so easy with Supabase and Lovable. And for context, what we're building in this example is an AI-powered voice dictation app. To do authentication, all we're going to say is set up authentication via Supabase integration. Just do email and password for sign up and login, and then hit go. And you could do more if you want, you just don't have to. All right, you'll see it's creating the database structure first for user profiles. Watching AI build is beautiful. All right, and then you'll be asked to apply changes. This happens whenever you're doing a database change. And one pro tip, when you do database changes, it's not easy to revert back. So just be cautious whenever you're making database changes. They're a big deal in your app. All right, now the database structure is set up, and now it's gonna implement the authentication UI so you can functionally log in. And what's beautiful, I didn't even have to tell it to do that. It just knows it's needed, so it's gonna go do it. And just like that, we got authentication set up. Now let me sign up and log in just in case you don't believe me. All right, so we're signing up with an email and a password. It's gonna send me a verification email. Here's the email, confirm it, and now we can log in. Sign in, and we are in. With one single prompt, we set up authentication for our app. If y'all haven't tried other tools, I can't express how much easier this is than other tools. I'm not gonna name any names, but it's a lot easier. What's cool, if you come over to Supabase, not only can you see your database, you can come over to authentication. You can actually see the users of your product, and you can see here's the account we just created. You can see it came through email. You can see when it was created. You can see when it was last signed in. It's a beautiful thing. And then it has all this other functionality for policies, sign-in providers. You can manage rate limits. You can do multi-factor authentication. There's a ton of functionality built into Supabase. It is such a good tool when you're building with AI. Make sure to bookmark this. Check out part 1, check out part 3 and 4. If it's not out yet, just give it a day or so. If you want to try Lovable for free, check out the link in my bio. And if you want to learn to build with AI, give me a follow.